Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix time of day not set. First, you'll want to verify your system's basic input/output system or unified extensible firmware interface settings. This is where your computer stores fundamental information, including the current date and time. Next, consider the small, coin-sized CMOS battery on your motherboard. It's crucial for keeping time when your computer is off. Finally, we'll look at how to automatically synchronize your operating system's clock with a reliable internet time server. To begin, restart your computer and press the designated key, often F2, delete, or F10, to enter the BIOS or UEFI setup. Once inside, locate the date and time settings and ensure they are accurate. If the time is consistently incorrect after a shutdown, a weak or dead CMOS battery is a likely culprit. Replacing this inexpensive battery, typically a CR2032 type, can often resolve persistent time issues. Now, let's adjust your operating system's time settings. Open your control panel or system settings and find the date and time section. Here, you should enable the option to automatically synchronize your clock with an internet time server. This feature ensures your computer's time is always precise, typically updating every few hours. Choose a reputable server, like time.windows.com, for the most consistent and accurate timekeeping. If the problem persists, consider running a system file checker, or SFC scan, to repair any corrupted system files that might be interfering. Also, ensure your operating system and all device drivers are fully updated, as outdated software can sometimes cause unexpected issues. If you've tried all these steps and the time of day not set message still appears, it's wise to consult your computer manufacturer's support resources for more specific guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.